guys loved it, my girlfriend loved it, and I loved it too. I would definitely recommend it. Again, we had an amazing time, so thank you very much.
So honestly, I'm so happy being here today. I had such a great experience. I was greeted when I came with slippers, which most yachts don't give, and a really, really cute necklace. The staff has been taking care of me non-stop. Whatever drinks I need, whatever food I need, everything they've been looking after me. I have to say, probably by far one of the best yachts I've experienced, just because of the customer service. I have to give it up to them, honestly. You guys need to book your yachts with them. It's really, really good. Thank you guys.